Okay, welcome back. This is video 4. So it's 4 weeks since you started getting these weekly videos. I want you to go back to your coaching wheel. It's time to measure. It's time to measure progress because it's quite a while now since you've been on the Vision to Success workshop. You've been working with these videos, really helping yourself get that momentum to keep things going. And I would like you to go back to your coaching wheel. Maybe there's more topics you've put in there. Maybe you've changed some of the topics, but I want you to write today's date. You will have the date, your first date you did that. You may have checked in already. If you've checked in, just get another colour pen. So look for different coloured pens each time. Write the day's date and in the same colour, just mark where you are. Now you can see in mine, some of them have gone up and some of them have gone down. Some of them have not moved at all because actually it wasn't the right time to focus on that. It doesn't matter. But what this is showing to your brain on a single page is it's a measuring tool. It's letting you see progress. It's helping you check where you are. And more importantly, it's giving you that sense of achievement that things actually are happening. If you want, you can email me with some of your results, and I'm happy to share that on our shared emails because it's always good to get results to find out how people are getting on and what they've actually achieved. So for today, just a short one, go back to your coaching wheel and start measuring what changes have happened. And it doesn't matter whether they've gone up or down or stayed the same. This is a way that you can measure your progress, measure what changes, and you may at this point of time decide, okay, there's maybe a topic I wasn't focusing on, or maybe there's a topic you don't need to focus on that you just need to take it away. Okay, so enjoy measuring your progress, and we'll see you in the next video.